Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Canceling a meeting in Outlook Calendar is a quick process that only takes a few steps. First, open your Outlook application on your computer. Look at the bottom left or side navigation bar and click on the calendar icon. Once your calendar is visible, locate the specific meeting you want to cancel. Double-click on that event to open the full meeting window. In the top toolbar, you will see an option labeled Cancel Meeting with a red X icon. Click that button. A message box will appear where you can type a brief reason for the cancellation if you want to let your attendees know why the plans changed. After adding your note, click the Has Sent Cancellation button at the top left of your screen. This action removes the event from your calendar and automatically notifies everyone else invited. If you are canceling a recurring series, Outlook will ask if you want to cancel just this one occurrence or the entire series. Choose the option that fits your needs. If you are not the organizer of the meeting, you cannot cancel it for everyone. Instead, you will see an option to delete the event or remove from calendar. This will only remove it from your personal view and send a notification to the organizer that you are no longer attending. Always make sure to check your sent folder to confirm the cancellation message went out to your team. Keeping your calendar updated helps everyone stay organized and prevents confusion during the work week. This simple method ensures your schedule remains accurate and professional at all times.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.